Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a shadow text effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, just select your video or elements you like to add or edit, and then just going to add text, just click text, default text, just for duration until finish the video. Change the text, can resize and just for the position. So how to shadow? Just swipe up, you can find the shadow option, just turn on. Adjust for the color shadow you like, and then just for the opacity, blurriness, distance, and then in the angle, like so. And you can also add the animation for the text. Just tap on animation, select loop animation, select this one you like. So that's how to create shadow text effect in CapCut PC for easily. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.